Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we might be having pancake on a stick, for lunch, chicken sandwich. Tomorrow, breakfast pizza, and for lunch, teriyaki chicken. Today's announcements. Attendance. Please continue to post attendance in Schoology. Teachers, this is your reminder. Make sure that you post attendance today. If you have a tendency to forget, which sometimes we do, phone a friend in your classroom to be your good reminder to post attendance. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. It's your responsibility to get it on every day. Make sure you bring it to school. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Refer to the grading parameters that have been sent out and make sure you are on track with entering your grades. We are closing in on the last 2 weeks of the quarter. Hard to believe that we are almost done with first quarter. Also, HMH growth measure. The deadline for HMH growth measure has passed. So, any students that have not completed the growth measure need to do so immediately. Ms. Gibbs and Ms. Smith will be following up with some of our teachers today to get those last few students finished up that still need to complete that. So anyone that has not already done growth measure, that will be on their to-do list for today. Late duty, today we have Miss Clark, tomorrow Miss Battaglia. School fundraiser, we are still accepting those envelopes. So if someone brings in an envelope with their code that has not already turned one in, send those to the office and we will make sure they get their prize. Important dates. Today, September 29th, we have our DA presentations in the gym. Also going to be doing makeup pictures today. September 29th, we also have our HMH representative on campus. So they will be available for any questions. If you need help with something, there will be a time where you can go and ask about that. Also, for my 5th grade friends, September 29th, the Lunch Bunch applications are due to me today by the end of the day. So, if you are interested in applying to be in the Lunch Bunch, 5th graders, make sure that you get that application into your teacher so that she can get it to me. Our next important date is October 4th. That's the reading PLT. We have October 6th. ACAP reflection forms are due from grades 2 through 5. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is Teacher Work Day, no school for students. October 11th, also, we have the PLP due. That's for teachers. Make sure you get that finished up. And October 12th, we will begin full steam ahead into the second quarter. All right, our word of the day is fact family. A fact family is a group of related facts that use the same numbers. You also might know these as related facts, but we usually like to call them fact families. So for the fact family of 3, 5, and 15, you would have 3 times 5 equals 15, 5 times 3 equals 15, 15 divided by 5 equals 3, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Your fact families would be for multiplication and division, but you also would have fact families for addition and subtraction. So fact families are related facts using the same set of numbers. Now, we have a few celebrations to talk about today in our morning announcements. Congratulations. This was a little bit late, so sorry to these teachers and these classes on my behalf. I've just been behind on putting this on here. But a great big congratulations to our Waggle winners for the week before last. That would be 9/13 through 9/17. I believe these classes did also get a popsicle party for their Waggle greatness. So our K through 2 winner was Miss Curd's class with 82,000 points. Woo, Miss Curd's class. And our 3 through 5 winner was Miss Moore's class with 19,860 points. So these right now are the classes to beat. We will find out who our next Waggle winners are. But classes, carry on, get those points, earn some gems, keep on waggling your little hearts out. Next, we have a shout out. Shout out to these students for being the first chosen to be our Shepherd Super Scholars. And they partnered with some classes on the lower hall. They partnered with Miss Overstreet's class yesterday and with Miss Cunningham's class. So we had Brooklyn, Ashlyn, and Alex. We had Brooklyn, Madison, and Jennifer. We had Zalante, Pilar, and Fallon. So all those fifth graders were our first set of super scholars that were chosen to go partner with our lower hall friends. We will have even more students, hopefully. Next time, our next hour PE, not the one today because we have presentations today, but our next hour PE time, we will be partnering with even more classes. We will have even more fifth grade students selected. I sure hope those fifth grade teachers have lots more names of students to go partner with our younger friends and do some special things with them. So awesome job to this first set of super scholars, and we shall continue that in the near future. Another shout out going on. Congratulations to Gage Morris and Safari Timmons for being Miss Moore's King and Queen of the Jungle for the month of September. These students have shown good leadership skills, good behavior, and a passion for learning. Miss Moore says she is so proud of them for being outstanding students. They are also always diligent about wearing their masks. Awesome job. Way to go, Gage and Safari. Rocking the jungle over there in Miss Moore's class. All right, that's all for today's news. We have lots to celebrate on this wonderful Wednesday. So go out and have a great day, Shepherd Scholars.